Rotha. Here we are at the launching of Liam and Rotha at Clark Pond, Bloomfield.
Did you name the boat?
Well,
that's it.
She has no name, but Liam and Rotha. Wheelie Willie in Irish.
Gotcha.
So here we go. We haven't got any champagne. We've got a bottle of fine, hot
much more
Irish
appropriate.
beer.
Much more appropriate.
Absolutely. Which one of you is most closely related to royalty?
That'd be Miss Anna, the Queen.
Miss Anna can have the honour, or would Joe prefer the honour of launching? Wheelie Willie? This is the Illinois theme song. I don't know why I'm saying that. There we go. Of course we can't litter, so the cat to be passed off to the spouse. Your Majesty?
What do I do with it?
Okay, repeat after me. Liam and Rotha.
Liam and Rotha.
Okay, I hereby name this vessel Liam and Rotha. And you pour the beer over there.
I hereby name this vessel Liam and Rotha.
Just do a little bit. Now she's gonna light a match.
No.
Let's get ourselves off. Right.
Don't go by the pot. Don't go by the dam.
Ready?
Woohoo!
It floats! It floats!
Wow, look at that!
Excellent!
Broin, go the other way, away from the dam, please.
Excellent! Whoa! Very good!
Woo!
Master craftsman. Look at that!
That's a nice looking boat!
Man, you can quit your job as a professor now.
Oh yeah.
It doesn't smell as bad as the place did last weekend. Well, this is
And little Anna's there sneezing in the shade. Hey, Anna!
look at
And
that.
the Foleys.
Hello.
The Queen.